Hello and welcome. It is Saturday, 21st day of March 2020. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel. Let's talk about silver. And I'm not going to show much on the charts, only to start pretty much. But for the entire previous decade, that's 365 and a quarter days, I suppose, times 10, almost 4,000. But when we include 2009, that's another 365 days. And first couple of months of this year, 4,000 days easy, consecutive. Just every now and again, buying silver, good idea. I didn't think it would have taken 4,000 plus days for an economic collapse to occur. And I stated, and there's even videos still on the channel, I think 2008 economic collapse updates. It's taken a long time. So we've in a situation where buying silver ain't so easy, and it's definitely not so cheap, even though price action. See silver at $12.61 US, which is around $18 Canadian. And on both sides, very, very cheap in price. And for the last few days, I've brought up silvergoldbull.ca. They're not doing any advertising. I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to bring up other ones as well within this video. As mentioned, I'm not going to show much on these charts. We've had this decline and a little bit of rally, so it was down even 11 and change. Whether we have the possibility to go down these levels, I'll be very, very interested in the physical market, because the supply and demand, or the demand for silver and the supply, is going through interesting aspects. First, let's go to silvergoldbull.ca. And they're still experiencing 20 plus business days due to unprecedented order volumes, but they've added more. The Royal Canadian Mint is shutting down 2 weeks due to the event. Delivery dates will be impacted by this delay. All outstanding orders are covered by their allocation, which is backed by the Government of Canada. Further details as they're available. All these major mints, the Mint, the Canadian Mint, United States, I think it's South African, the Australian, I think it might be the Austrian Mint, but one of the European ones, I think, but 5 of them anyway, including the Canadian and the United States Mint. Just can't get silver anymore. And now we're going to have 2 weeks of a factory normally working 24/7 shut down. So the supply within this is going to make it very interesting. Let's take a look at some of these prices on here. So what we're going to do is we'll go to silver, and let's just go to top picks to start. And we're going to sort it by price per ounce. Normally, in the past, what would happen is you would get their 10-ounce bar for spot price. And that's been available since 2017. So for about close to 3 years. 1,000 days maybe they've had it, but not anymore. $245 for a 10-ounce bar. Their choice. $24.50. The Canadian silver price is 18. 6 divided by 18. Well, I'm using 6. Well, 18 plus 6 is 24. It's 6.5 over spot, but we'll just use 6 for easy math. And the price is even under 18, I think. So, it's worse. But anyway, even still, 6 divided by 18, that's 0.33, 33%. So a generic 10-ounce bar is more than 33%. And we can say the same thing here about the 1 ounce assorted silver round. 10-ounce buffalo. Now the price is a little more expensive, $2.50, $2.49 even. 1 ounce silver gold bull round. $25.91. These are coins made by the Sunshine Mint. Cheaper than the Sunshine Mint, which I haven't gotten over or talked about yet for its price. It'll come very, very soon. But the differential here is $8 on 18. because this is about 26 where silver's about 18. That's an That's an $8 differential. 9 is 50%. So $27 silver has a 50% premium. This is not too far from that number. It's not too far. We got a 5 ouncer. We have another 1 ounce Walking Liberty. There's where Sunshine Mint. $26.75. So buying just one, you're paying near a 50% discount. Or a 50% premium, rather. Discount, yeah. Although we are getting, even with these premiums, I think this is going to end up being in discounted prices. Now, if you're going to try to find anything on the maple side, the silver, this is pretty much all you're going to get are these privy coins and things like this. When we look at the prices we have here, $57 for a 2 ounce Royal Canadian Mounted Police silver coin. Divide that by 2, 27, or 28 is 56, so 29 is 58. So 28 and change, 20 and a half. And I remember buying these much lower than 29. The exact coins, that exact dog coin. Here we have a 1 ounce 2017. It's not a maple, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's like a special designer's year coin, and $28.50 or 28 if you buy a roll. That's $10 over spot. Save $1 on this one. So it's $29.50 now. That's over 50% of a premium. APMEX. The biggest thing I noticed on here, let me just go to its main page again. Is that they accept Bitcoin, they stated. Maybe it's not, this is because this is on a small, yeah, right here, we're now accepting Bitcoin. Was that there the whole time? Probably. I was looking for, okay, there it is. Yeah, now accepting Bitcoin. So that's interesting to note. Also, due to extreme order volumes, please expect a shipping delay up to 3 business days. Temporary $300 minimum order in effect as well. So if we go to silver on here, this is APMEX again. They're going to give us a chart. I'm looking for a chart that I can't find. I'm going to talk about it. It's probably not on here. The chart I'm looking for is the premiums on Eagles or any whatever silver you can tell me about, like for a decent amount, because it's really, this is what I'm doing this video about, really getting out of hand. So if I go to United States Mint on here, you're going to see it's $10 over spot. That's what the answer is for all of these things. $22.82 US. Well, as we seen before, that the price is, I think it was like $12.82 that they were going by. And that's as low as. So you're going to probably have to buy, I don't even know if that's a monster box, like 500 or 100, or how many you have to get that price. How many you have to pay if you're buying 20 or 1. I'm not going to really go and see, but then you're going to be waiting, having a long delay as it is. I'm not really a fan of any of these. I have none of coins like this, none. Never plan on buying anything like a graded type of a coin. And I mean, if I'm looking for buy a premium, I'm looking mainly because of the actual coin itself, its art design. I bought a Bitcoin, it's one that just a nice little Bitcoin one, and it was like 40 something when I could buy silver for like 28. I don't do that much. Normally, if I could buy like usually back in the day, I can buy an Eagle or Maple for like 25 bucks. If I can find another coin I like for 25, 26, 27 area, and then I will. But that's about as far as I go. JM Bullion, due to extreme order volumes, please expect shipping delays of 15 plus business days. So they're in the 3-week perspective. But this plus, though, they're just saying minimum. I mean, 180 is higher than 15. I say that sarcastically, realistically, too, and all that. eBay. Well, this is where we're going to find where the market is, because as the premiums are going up, if you want to sell your silver back to them, I haven't checked, but it's just a no-brainer that they're in demand accumulating. So they're going to raise those silver premiums they would buy back to you. And I'm not definitely not suggesting selling. I'm just saying that the market is going to be moving in this type of mechanism. This one here's a fishy one here. I did a search for silver maple on eBay. 5 ounces, the 2019 series, $310. That works out to $62 Canadian. I mean, that is going a little too far. But this is where it makes me wonder. Free shipping in bold. Oh, in a big color bold. Only one left. But we've sold 251 of the 252 that we've had. Okay. I kind of wonder how phony. I mean, the silver would be real, but paying 62 even on these conditions, it would make me wonder. I've already looked at this. There's one coin on here I really, really want. They put a large minimum bid, and I think it's going to crush that number. I'm going to go to it in a little bit, but $35 in here, $31, 19 bids on this. So that's what I want to see is how many people, buy it now for 35, 21 sold. Maybe this is legit in 35. That might be the going rate, but we got 3 days, 10 hours left on this one, Tuesday. It's already at $31. Just a regular 9999 coin. No, none of the privy stuff or any of this, whatever. 2019 series. We have there's a privy F15 mark. 8 bids right now, $31. $34 on this, 16 bids. This is still 3 days left. And the price market, I mean, if the price goes up $4, it will go up with it, but I think it's going to go well over spot. And the coin that I really want is this one here. The 1995 Mylar. Opening bid at 35. It's going to probably go from, I think it's going to go for 40 to 50 at current market prices. It's getting kind of sick. But a lot of times, if you want to see where the markets are going to come in, these things are going to just play itself out. Now, I did a silver mapium premium over spot. I've been trying to find what I could get, and it's just not really working too well. The images here don't give me what I want. Now, what I found earlier was this. And this is old, but this gives you the idea of what I'm looking for. Now, this is how much percent it would be over spot. You can't see the dates too well. Let me see if I can try. I don't think I can. I will in time, I think, because this is so small, I'm going to zoom it in. There we go. I'm hoping. This just does not work. Of course not. There we go. So this is 2013, 2014, and then all the months, 2015. So this is old, but back then, which would have been into 2015, we can see that the premiums for this is Eagles. And I've went to the gold charts or us. I can't find anything on it, and this might have just been done on the day to just say, hey, look at the percents were so high. But throughout the entire year of 2015, these things were selling for like premiums between 14 and 17%. And even before was at the lower end. The lower tick number was 12%. So if 2014, it was like 12% to like 16, 17. And just not. And then it was just, oh my goodness, it's breaking out all the way up to 26.58% then at the time. Ooh, if you can get that premium now, wow. The premiums are getting out of control, but they're supposed to. The situation is out of control, and it's been 4,000 days since I was coming across the information to what a fiat currency was. Even the fact that silver was even a market, because interesting thing, what you can do is you put up a picture of like a silver maple leaf or an eagle or any of those bullion coins. And then what you do is you put in something like this. A line. And let's play a little game. Let's make sure my spelling is correct. It's B-U-L-I-O-N, whatever. what is this coin? And of course, I actually want to show what the silver coin is. And I'm a terrible drawer, but let's draw a maple leaf. Yeah, that's how bad that. That almost looks like a continent of some sort that doesn't exist. Anyway, what animal is this? And then, of course, I could pick some sort of like year of the dog. Oh, it's a dogian. Oh, it could be a. Is it a dog? Is it a cat? Is it a bear? Is it an ant? Is it a goldfishian? Is it a fish? A fishian? A bullion? A catian? A dogian? The whole point of me saying this is I could come up with literally like 10, 15 different one-syllable animal names. And people would have no idea what the answer would be. And they couldn't figure out between a dog, a cat, a bear, a bull, a rat. If it would be a doggy and a catty and a ratian, a bullion. Of course, the answer would be bullion. And these days are going to change as the awareness for all these things is they're going to be living, and we are seeing it. And whether they've had time to check out different 6 videos like Hidden Secrets of Money and such, well, some have, most have not. But when I did this is the final search that I did in preparation for this video. I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to get any more footage. But Mint's run out of silver. I was watching or listening to this video at the time. This is about it's a 42-minute video. Mint runs out, silver shells bare. And this talks a lot about the physical market, reasons for stuff going out. This is 4 days ago, so this is before things were even getting as wild as they are now. Because Thursday and Friday, the changes to the bullion market. And then every single day nowadays, at least through the week, whether we'll do it on the weekend, we'll see. Sunday night, he had to put out 2 videos last week with the Feds going to 0 rates. But gold and silver shortages, rare cuts coming. Oops, this is 6 days ago too. 6 days ago. And there's a bunch more of the Mike Maloney stuff there as well too. So, thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.